Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you some shocking things about your very first modeling audition. All right guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and let's jump right into these shocking things. The first thing that a lot of models don't know when they come to a modeling audition is that they are going to be interviewed. You have to understand that this is essentially a job interview. So there are some things that we, the casting directors, want to know about you, and we want to know if we'll be able to work with you, what type of person you are, what type of commitment you have, all those types of things. So be ready to answer questions. We do have some videos on the channel here about that process, so make sure you guys check those out about castings and what you should plan on. But be prepared, guys, to be interviewed at your very first modeling audition. Next is that the setting is going to be a lot more casual than you think. A lot of times you think it's like this big, you'll see people in business suits and behind a big, giant desk. And honestly, we're just sitting in there casually dressed for the most part. And a lot of times we've got our Starbucks drinks sitting on the table there that we're sipping from as we're working through. Because you got to think this is a long day usually for us, because we're seeing lots of different models coming in. So it is a very casual setting. So don't be surprised when you get there and you're like, whoa, they're just like chatting or checking their phone or, drinking coffee. It's okay. Just know in advance it's going to be a little bit more casual than you're expecting. The next thing is that you're not going to be the only model there. You'll be the only one that they're speaking to at one time, but lots of times there are more than one model in the room. Sometimes we've got the photographer working with the model, or we're interviewing a model. Sometimes we have models waiting in the room while we're doing all these other things, depending on where we're doing castings. So just know and be prepared to speak and do what you need to do in front of whoever is there, and just kind of go with the flow of all of it. And then the last shocking thing that I want to share with you is that you do need to be prepared to walk and to pose. As I mentioned, there's usually a photographer there, and they do take some headshots, kind of see how you look in print, and also we want to see how you work with a photographer as well. So do be prepared to do some posing. Again, we've got some great videos here on the channel about posing, so make sure you guys go check those out. Make sure that you practice and be ready for that. And the same thing with your walking. Be prepared to do any type of walk that they ask you to do. And we again have videos on the channel here of lots of different walks that you can do, what they're called and how to do them. So check those videos out, because they will help you out and they will prepare you for your very first modeling audition. Hopefully these tips will help you out on your next modeling audition so you won't be caught off guard. I hope this video helps you out. Do not forget to like the video, leave me a comment down below if you've got a casting coming up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon.